everything about her. She took all the air. She didn't leave any for me. That's what women do. Take all a man's air. It's freedom. And it's okay, because we don't know what to do with the hair anyway. And by the time a woman takes it, we done already had our fill. See, men and women, we're supposed to depend on each other. One inhales and the other exhales. I mean, that's how it's supposed to work. But I was her son, not her husband. She had no right to make me his replacement. It's hard for a teenage boy to provide for his mother and find his place in the world at the same damn time. At least it was for me. I mean, I guess we can't all walk and chew gum at the same time. By the time I was 12, I was paying all the bills in our house. I dropped a couple G's in her purse every month, and not once did she question where the money came from. But the first time she saw me in the back of a police car, she actually looked surprised, standing there with a Bible in her hand and that ugly-ass church hat I paid for with my money. She actually looked surprised. In the back of that car was the first time I really needed her. I was 14. I was scared. And I needed my mama. But all she was concerned about was what those damn hypocrites down at the church was gonna think. I know she saw me. She looked me dead in my eyes. She just pulled that church hat over her eyes. She walked away. She let them drive off with her only son. She didn't hold my hand. She touched my face. She didn't act like she understood why I did what I did. I wanted to be a good boy. I did. She took all my air.